First of all, good evening everyone. This is an experiment of sugar water density rainbow tower. Material for use: 5 balls with filled color water, a half bowl of sugar and a spoon. Add spoons of sugar to the water as shown. First ball, 0 spoons of sugar. Second ball, 1 spoon of sugar. Third ball, 2 spoons of sugar. Fourth ball, 3 spoons of sugar. And the fifth ball, add 4 spoons of sugar. Mix well until all the sugar dissolves as shown. Start with filling in color which has 4 spoons of sugar in it, then 3, then 2, then 1, then 0. Add some pieces of paper shown this. Add the other cut the pieces of the paper and put it. And the next ball of color. And do this with a dropper. Or fill it carefully. Wow, what a beautiful. And the next ball of the color. Add some pieces of paper. or fill it carefully. Wow, beautiful. Add the next color. First blue color, second green color, third green yellow. Wow, what a beautiful. Carefully. Woo! This is working. Wow. Done. 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 Done.